Have you ever felt short of breath while sitting, talking, or doing something easy? No running, no workout, yet it feels like you cannot get a full breath. Most people brush this off. They should not. This is not always about your lungs, and it is not always anxiety either. Section 1. Why this feels scary. Relatability. Shortness of breath hits a primal fear. Your brain instantly thinks something is wrong. Heart, lungs, oxygen. But here's what surprises many Americans. You can feel breathless even when oxygen levels are technically normal. That means the issue is often not how much oxygen you breathe in, it's how your body uses it. Section 2. The misunderstood mechanism. Breathing is not just lungs, it's a chain reaction. Air to lungs, to blood, to circulation, to cells, to energy. If any part of that chain slows down, your brain senses a mismatch. It responds with the feeling of air hunger, not because you're in danger, but because your system is inefficient. Section 3. Common, non-obvious reasons. No medical claims. Here are a few reasons this happens more often than people realize. Poor circulation means oxygen is slow to reach tissues. Low-grade inflammation stiffens blood vessels. Dehydration thickens blood, reducing flow. Mineral imbalance affects muscle relaxation, including breathing muscles. Nervous system imbalance keeps your body in alert mode. None of these show up clearly on routine tests. That's why people hear, everything looks normal, yet they still feel breathless. Section 4. Why it happens more after 30. Many people notice this after their 30s or 40s. Recovery slows, sleep quality drops, stress stays high. Your body becomes less flexible internally. Not weak, just less adaptive. So small inefficiencies now create noticeable symptoms. Section 5. Why exercise sometimes makes it better. This confuses people. They feel breathless at rest, but feel better during light movement. That's because movement improves circulation and oxygen delivery. It temporarily fixes the bottleneck. The problem is not lack of fitness, it's lack of flow at rest. Section 6. What not to assume. This is important. Do not assume you're just out of shape, it's just all in your head, or it's normal aging. Those assumptions delay understanding what your body is asking for. Section 7. The body signal perspective. Your body speaks through sensations. Shortness of breath without exertion often is a signal, not a diagnosis. It's saying something in the system needs support. When addressed early, this signal is often reversible. Section 8. Closing reassurance. If this sounded familiar, you're not alone. Millions of Americans experience this quietly. And no, you're not imagining it. In the next videos, we'll break down hydration, circulation, and nervous system balance in simple, practical ways. Because when the system flows better, breathing feels natural again. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who cares about their health.